So I'm at Wegmans and I'm in the dog food section. See? Boop. So now we're gonna see what other brands are grain-free for your dogs. So right now, let's just start on this end. I gotta remember to keep it up. So we're gonna start on this end of the cart. I'm so happy the dog food's only on the other end because not that many people are here. So, okay, so here we have the Wegmans brand. Let's see, is this? Okay, so it says no corn, wheat, or soy. So let's actually see. So this is what. So let's see. So I think Wegmans is grain-free. So okay, so it does. All right, so the bigger bags do say grain-free. See? It says it right there and right there. So I'm assuming that all the Wegmans brands are grain-free. Okay, so this is another one. It's called Halo. That one is grain-free right there. So far, so good. I've seen 2. Let's see. Is this one grain-free? Something 9 Beyond Purina. It doesn't say it on the label. It doesn't say it, but I don't see anything that says grain. So that's another one. So that's 3. So Naked Essentials. It is grain-free. It says it right there. So that's 4. Rachel Ray, like I said, is the one that we get. So this automatically I know is grain-free. Yeah, so I know next one is Rachel Ray Nutrish. So this one I know is grain-free because we get it all the time for our dogs. So, and it says 0 grain, which is really cool. So this is all Rachel Ray right here. Peak, oh, that's also Rachel Ray. Crave, it's grain-free. It says it right there. So far so good. We're halfway down the dog food aisle. Now we also have the other side which has dog treats, but dog food is more important to me. So now we're gonna check out Iams. I'm not sure if it was Iams or Purina 1 that Byron was having the reaction to, but I don't see anything. I don't see anything. This is a really big bag. So Iams is not grain-free because if you look right there, ground whole grain. That's a no-no. So Iams, I would definitely not get because that has grain. So let's see. I don't see it either, but I think Purina 1 was the one that had it. And it is not saying grain-free. So if it's not grain-free, then it's not grain-free and it doesn't have it on there. So that's kind of a bummer. So 2 out of all the ones that I've seen so far. Let's see about pedigree. not sure, but I think Pedigree might have some grain in it as well. There was birds in there. That's so heavy. It's on the other side. It's the second ingredient. Might not be able to see it, but whole grain wheat. That's not good. Okay. So out of all the ones, kibble submits. So I think it kind of went down from like grain-free to not. So 3 or 4 are not grain-free, but all the other ones are grain-free. So I'm not gonna do dog food. I'm not gonna do dog treats right now. That'll be on another one. I'm gonna focus on dog food. So I saw, let's see, I saw 1, 2, 3, I'm counting, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are grain-free, and 3 or 4 of them that I had, the other ones were, okay, so I counted 8 grain-free, and then those that do have grain, there's like 3 or 4. So Wegmans is kind of does have grain-free stuff. So that's good if you're looking for inexpensive grain-free items. So the next one will probably be like Target or Price Chopper, and then we'll compare it to the dog stores, the pet stores. So yeah, see ya.